Hi friends, welcome to my channel G Vision Creative Eyes. This is Gokul Gogoi. In this video I am going to start with a floral in watercolor, and I will try to deal with some basic techniques like laying washes, highlights and darks, negative painting, and the most important one, contrast in the focal point. Here I shall make an attempt to apply a comparatively new technique, that is applying a wet in wet underpainting with a thin layer of liquid acrylic, which is expected to stay intact when afterwards I will try to lift off some paints in some areas. The reference photo by Zilan Kridar has been used with permission, which has been modified to some extent for the purpose of my composition. Let's then get started. This is the pre-done 440 GSM rough paper ready for painting. The brushes used are an 1-inch flat Indian sable, 2 Chinese brushes, a Russian brush made of Kolinsky and synthetic blend, and a hack brush. For the first wash, I have made ready a very thin acrylic mixture of Prussian blue, lemon yellow, and a light red. Be sure to prepare the mixture in thick consistency so as not to lose transparency. Now I am wetting the paper with a hack brush, leaving carefully the positive spaces of the flowers to make them highlighted with the white of the paper. All other areas except the flowers have been wetted. Now I have shifted to an 1-inch flat brush to wet the edges of the flowers carefully and accurately. Wetting the larger areas again with the hack brush. Now I am applying a very thin watery mixture of lemon yellow acrylic over the sprouts. Sometimes mixed it with a bit of Prussian blue to make a bright green. This is an acrylic undercoat which will be fixed to the paper when dry and will remain intact when I will lift up further layers of paints to lighten at places afterwards. Here I am mixing a little Prussian blue with lemon yellow for a green foliage. Now I am laying a light wash of Prussian blue, a cool color, mixed with a touch of light red with a view to create a distance and depth between the foreground and the background. Towards the upper left, I am mixing the blue with more warmer colors like reds and browns. As I am going way down, I am filling out the negative spaces amidst the foliage with blue, brown and red and a viridian green in variation. After the first wash is completely dry, I am wetting the paper again, leaving the positive spaces of flowers, leaves and stems. After the first wash, we should let it completely dry. Now I am applying the second wash with a watercolor mixture of cobalt blue and cerulean blue, sometimes adding a bit of crimson lake.
These are diagonal strokes of brush, all converging toward the focal area. Towards the upper lip, I made the color warmer and darker by adding French ultramarine and burnt sienna. Darker mixtures of blue-gray have been added since watercolor tends to dry lighter. Raw sienna and yellow ochre have been added horizontally, followed by burnt umber and blue. Now I have to speed up the video. Here the background of the flowers has been darkened with warm colors, mixtures of French ultramarine, burnt sienna, Payne's grey and even dioxazine violet have been applied with variation. This is the stage where colors and values have been applied negatively, leaving the flowers, leaves and stems untouched by wet paint. Sometimes I am softening the borders of the flowers and leaves, sometimes leaving hard edges here and there for the effect of lost and found edges. Darkest of darks have been laid down around the upper leaf flowers to attain more contrast at the focal area. The petals are wetted to make them ready for a light wash and add some value to them. A watery mixture of cobalt blue and a tinge of permanent rose is laid down here and there to show them catching the maximum light. Here a tinge of greenish yellow has been applied to show the reflected light from the foliage. This is the final painting. Hi friends, if you like my video, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel for my future updates. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.